In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to sew a perfect placket and pocket using this monogram design. Please note that I've already done the monogram design. So this me ironing, making sure everything is straight. Then once I finish ironing, I have to mark 3 inches. You mark it across the placket, then you connect it using your ruler. After connecting it, you cut off the excess. This is me cutting them off. So we are left with what we'll be using. The smaller part will be folded in. You have to fold it to the point where the design starts. After folding it, I'll use my ruler to also mark the bigger portion. I'll also fold it to the point where the design starts to. So what I'll be left with is the design at the front and the excess at the back. You also need to repeat the same process for the pockets. So for the pockets, mark ½ inch by the side, ½ inch allowance which you fold in. Then for the length, you add extra 1 inch at the bottom and 2 inches at the top. Then you connect it with your ruler also. After connecting this with your ruler, you also cut. So this is me cutting out the excess. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button so that YouTube can recommend this video to other tailors who will need it. So after cutting, you fold the excess. Fold all the excess inward so that you can be left with only the design for the pockets. So this is the final look after folding everything. Since we've already attached the neck piping, we'll leave ½ inch outward. Then attach the placket to the shirt using 5 inches. The length of the placket that you will sew will be 5 inches. So you repeat the same process for the other part. Then you stop at 5 inches, making sure everything is okay and equal. Then you trim it open and then notch at the point where you see the thread. After trimming everything, you go over and iron. So this is me ironing, spraying the water, then iron it and fold everything to the original length that I want. If you are a tailor, you can watch other videos on my channel on how to cut a shirt, how to sew an invisible zip or neck piping, how to cut a trouser, how to sew a front pocket, a wet pocket, and many more. You can also find my series on how tailors can retire early and be financially stable. Once you are done ironing, you place hemming gum on the placket in order for it to hold perfectly to the fabrics. Your pocket needs to start 9 inches from the shoulder level. So you take the measurement at the shoulder level, measure 9 inches, that's where your pocket will start from. Then 1 inch from the placket. Arrange everything, then also use your hemming gum to attach it to the fabrics before you sew. Once you are done gumming everything, you can proceed to the sewing machine and join everything together. Make sure you do it neatly for it to have a professional look. If you've watched to this extent and you've not subscribed, please, I want you to hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button so that we can continue growing.